Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be testing out, just building with the new Peachy Sunset furniture pack. So let's watch the video first. Okay, some crafting stuff. It's really pretty and I'm excited. There's also just some food and stuff. I think this is very what it says it is. This looks really good. I think they're building in the new house we got to. But it's really cute. So now we're just going to look at the items and stuff they have. Okay, these are the items they have. 86 items. That's quite a lot. Plus I see a sun ray coming down or something. And then these are the wallpapers, of course. Now I am building. I'm just gonna build for the rest of the video. Probably not talk until the end. And yeah, this will be a speed build. Feel free to copy. You don't need to give credits unless you really want to, and I'd appreciate that, but I'm okay if you don't. And yeah, I'm just gonna get to building. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I love you guys so much, and bye.